Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension to automatically detect the blade files inside your Laravel project in VS Code. So by default, if you create a blade file inside your Laravel project, the VS Code will not detect it as this file and it will not give you the syntax highlighting. Rather than it will show you a normal file. So there is an extension that you can install which is Laravel's dash blade. It's got almost 635,000 installs. It provides you with Laravel blade syntax highlighting. So as soon as you click the install button and just activate this extension, you will see automatically your blade file will be syntax highlighting, and all the highlighting you can see it is provided by like this. All the dynamic PHP code that you are adding is also highlighted. After you simply go to the extensions and simply type this Laravel dash blade. So just search for this extension, this will come right here, and simply install this, and after activating this you will see your blade files will get syntax highlighting. And if you just uninstall this, you will once again see the blade files will again go not syntax highlighting. So this is the extension. Simply click the install button, and after activating it you will see your Laravel blade files will automatically get syntax highlighting. So this is a very useful VS Code extension. Definitely install it, and I will be seeing you in the next video.